Transform your shopping experience with the WooCommerce AI Chatbot, an OpenAI-powered solution that lets customers search, manage their cart, and purchase directly in chat. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Here I am on my WordPress admin dashboard. Then go to WooCommerce and proceed to AI Chatbot. Here you can see the dashboard, conversations, content creation, data training, and settings. Firstly, let's look at the dashboard. Here we are on the dashboard where you can see the user traffic of the chatbot. You can also view this data on a weekly or monthly basis. Now, moving to the conversation history. Here, you can see the chat history between the user and the chatbot. For example, if I select the username as admin and choose the from and to dates, then after entering the username and dates, click on the search button. Here, you can see that the history has been generated from 3rd March to 18th March. Now, moving on to the settings. In the settings section, we have model settings, vector DB selection, and pinecone settings. First, we need to select the model. Here, we have the ONNX model. Then we have the Gemini embedding model and the OpenAI embedding model. Both are paid models. If I select the Gemini embedding model, I need to provide the Gemini API key and the Gemini embedding model name. If I choose the OpenAI embedding model, I need to provide the OpenAI API key and the OpenAI embedding model name. For now, I'm going to select the ONNX model. Here, we also have two types of databases, Pinecone and ChromaDB. If I choose ChromaDB, I need to provide the Chroma base URL, Chroma collection name, and Chroma API key. Now, moving on to the Pinecone settings, as I have selected Pinecone as the vector database. Here, I need to provide the secret key, environment, base URL, and the index name. Next is the API configuration. Here, I need to enter the API key, API base URL, and the model name. Then, in the site configuration, MCP, I need to specify whether I want to enable Stripe MCP or not. If enabled, I need to provide the Stripe publishable key and Stripe secret key. Then, in the chat box settings, I have options to allow the voice assistant, enable animations, and enable guest history. I can set the primary color, secondary color, and the chatbot name. Here, I can also choose the chatbot avatar, chatbot background image, and AI logo, as well as enable the background image. Lastly, I can set the chatbot position, whether it is on the right or left. After completing all the configurations, I need to click on the Save Configuration button. Now my configurations have been saved. Moving on to data training, here you can see that my selected embedding model is E5 small ONNX model, and the selected vector database is Pinecone. In total, I have 16 products, and my trained products count is currently 0. To sync all my products, I need to click on the Synchronize Products button. My total product count was 16, and now the trained product count is also 16. This means all my products have been synced successfully. Now, let's move to the front end, where the chatbot will be visible. Here we are on the shop page, where you can see the chatbot icon. Click on this button, and here you can enter your query. Whatever query you provide, the chatbot will return results accordingly. For example, if I say, "Show me a cap," it gives me the result of a cap with SKU, category, and price mentioned. Now if I say, "Add this cap to my cart," here the chatbot asks how many caps I would like to add to my cart. So I need to enter the quantity. For example, I entered 2. It then confirms that the cap has been added to my cart successfully. Now, if I want to know whether there are any coupon codes available, I can enter the query, "Are there any coupon codes available?" It shows that there are 2 coupon codes available, Black Friday 20 and Sale 10. I will ask the chatbot to apply the Black Friday 20 coupon code. The chatbot confirms that the coupon has been applied successfully, and my cart summary is updated, showing the applied discount. Now I will proceed to checkout. Now the chatbot is asking for shipping and billing details, such as first name, last name, address line 1, address line 2, city, state, postal code, country, and phone number. I have already saved these details in my notepad, so I will simply copy and paste them here. It then asks if my shipping address is the same as my billing address, so I will say yes. Now an available shipping method named Easy Two-Way Shipping is shown, so I will ask the chatbot to apply this method. It confirms that the shipping method has been applied successfully and now asks for the payment method. Here, the available payment methods are Stripe, direct bank transfer, pay by check, and cash on delivery. I will choose to proceed with payment via Stripe. It then provides an order summary, including the product name and quantity, applied coupon, billing and shipping address, and the payment method. Finally, it asks if I want to place the order, and I will say yes. Now the chatbot generates a QR code, and I can also pay using a card or via UPI. I click on it, and a new pop-up window opens. Here I need to enter the card details, such as card number, expiry date, CVV, cardholder name, and country or region. After filling in these details, I click on Pay. Here, the payment is successful, and it is also shown here with a message that the payment was successful along with the order ID 353. I can also view my order details by clicking on this link. It redirects me to the order page where I can see my order number, the quantity of the cap, the applied discount, and the payment method, which is Stripe. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.